Oh, tracking a lot of small baby bass. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, you see that bigger bass? The other bass is literally right here. Alright. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's a small guy. Nice little bass. There he goes. Nicest security guard ever. Nice bass. There you go. Hey guys, there's a couple bass right here again. Oh guys, I got one. Holographic lure. wow, I hooked him really weird. Nice little 1 pounder. Nice little bass. He's fine. Kick, and he's off. You guys, I got one. Little bass. Matt, can you come down here and grab him, please?
You want me to whip him?
Or just grab him. Just grab. Thanks, Matt.
Sure.
Can't really get down there with my hat cam.
Sorry.
All right.
Want to let go?
Yeah. All right, guys. So here's a bass. Using a holographic lure, 3-inch. Three-fourths of a pound, not big at all. All right.
Oh, Kevin, I didn't bring my...
Hey guys, I got another one. He's bigger. Oh my God, this guy's pretty big. Matt.
Yeah, I'll get him. Just right.
No, look how big this guy is.
Oh, he's nice. Oh, he's giant.
Go walk down here so I could get him on land.
No, I'll get him. I'll get him. Kevin, I'll get him.
I'm already halfway there, dude. Matt, can you actually come down here and get him? Did I hook into 2? Oh no.
Don't bring him in.
I got him. Yeah.
Nice 3-pounder.
Yeah, guys, nice bass on the holographic lure. Real nice bass. It's dinner.
You hack hands on that stuff. Security guard.
So guys, nice little 2.5 pound bass. We're gonna release this guy. All right, off. Ooh. All right, off he goes. You mean the holographic lures?
Yeah.
This is the max that you can cast on mine.
No, you can have what you want. Can you show me mine?
Yeah, show us yours.
Okay.
Now I'm using the 3-inch and Matt's using the 4 or 5-inch. I don't know the exact length on it. It's 4-inch. So you can see the difference in these lures. So this is my lure. It's 3-inch and that's a 4-inch. Holographiclures.com. And
I'll show you like that. You go a little further than that, actually.
see if you catch anything.
Oh, that one.
Nice.
I was lucky.
Bending the rod. Loose drag. Oh, he's a nice one. See if we can get a double hookup on. Don't worry, I'll upload this to yours.
Thanks.
Just gotta give me the password and everything. I'm not gonna do anything.
Just keep it on the plate.
Ooh. Have fun with that. Alright, he's back.
This is my
Oh my god. I'm sorry. There's a big bass right in front of us.
Oh, I see him. Wait, can you still record this?
Yeah. There's Matt picking up his fish. Oh, we have a little right in the corner of the mouth. How's it hooked? Oh. Need help? You got it? Work on the right hook first. Get that right hook out first, and then use that one, yeah.
This is a nice little guy. There's another little bass. Post spawn. See it again.
4-inch holographic
Minnow.
minnow. Put this side over so you can see the.
Holographiclures.com. This is what you catch with them. This guy's.
Alright, so I'm back.
This guy go. Ciao.
This is a little smaller than the average size today. Alright, he's off. Alright, what do you guys think about? Oh, dude. Cast right out here, 5 feet out from the lily pads. Alright, whatever. Bring it in. Slow. You're right on top of him right now. You're right on top of him. Double time.
Do you have any water left?
Oh, there we go. Matt, cast right there. Right where my lure is.
Okay, is there another one?
Yeah, he's following it right now.
Yeah.
Right in front of us. Bring it in. Right there. Right. Oh. Cast out a little bit farther.
Yeah, let's hold your head down so you can see it.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, he hit that right as it hit the water. Got another double hookup, guys.
And there's another bass following that bass.
These holographic lures work like a charm. It's definitely my favorite lure that I have right now.
Yeah, my line just snapped because I'm trying to learn new knots. And I just learned a new knot, but I guess it wasn't tight enough. Ow. So guys, there's my bass.
Let me just get the hook out now. That came out so easy.
Hey, put him down. Let's show him.
Mine's skinnier.
So these are all off of the holographiclures.com.
Oh, yeah.
No!
Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh.
Alright, well that guy's going back in the water.
Yeah, let's get these guys back. Let's get these guys back. What do you want to... Hair size?
There's one, here's two.
The holographic lures.
So I'm back. Alright.
Okay. Throw this guy back. Dude, look how beaten up this guy is.
Dude, I'm almost out of battery.
Check it out. Go, Joe.